Hello Sharks, we are Mackenzie
and Sarah
from Miss Meier's 4th grade class. Today we are going to walk through the scientific process with you.
Today is the science of goosebumps.
Have you ever had goosebumps? It's when your hair stands on end and your skin looks like a chicken without any feathers. Have you ever wondered why we get them? Think like a scientist and let's find out.
When we become chilled, excited, or frightened, our bodies produce a hormone called adrenaline. It makes our heart beat faster, prepares our lungs to take in more oxygen, and causes our pupils to dilate. It also causes tiny muscles beneath our skin to contract, tugging the roots of the hairs that cover our bodies. This is when our hairs stand up and give us goosebumps.
Scientists believe that our bodies react to fear and excitement in this way as means of survival. Back many thousands of years, if a human had heard a strange sound in the forest or was afraid of an attack by an animal, adrenaline would prepare the human body to run from danger or to stay put and defend itself.
Scientists believe that a very long time ago, when the human body was covered in a thicker coat of hair, having a hair-raising experiment served two main purposes. First, your puffed-up hair could trap a layer of air next to your skin, which would insulate you against the cold.
Second, having all of your hair stand up would give you an appearance of being larger and scarier in case of an attack.
Because humans aren't covered in hair like they used to be, goosebumps don't seem to have a purpose other than to signal a state we're chilly, excited, or creeped out.
That's it for today. Has been Mackenzie
and Sarah.
See you next time. Bye.
Good morning, Sharks. I'm Zach.
And I'm Jillian, and today we are going to tell you about the scientific method and our experiment.
The scientific method is a process of steps we follow to conduct the science experiments.
Our experiment is called Attack of the Gummy Bears.
The first step is purpose. Why are we doing this?
Next is the question, what we want to find out or will happen to the gummy bears in different liquids.
We are using salt water, vinegar, iced tea, and milk.
Next is our hypothesis, our guess and or prediction what will happen.
For example, I think or I predict that the gummy bears will expand in these different liquids.
So if you follow those steps, then you are good to go.
This has been Zach
and Jillian with
the steps of the scientific method in our experiment, Attack of the Gummy Bears. The materials you'll need are salt water,
gummy bears and iced tea,
white milk and white vinegar,
and 5 clear cups. My hypothesis is in the iced tea, the gummy bear would most likely have a different color depending on the color it is.
My hypothesis is the gummy bear will shrink.
I disagree with you, Isaac and Miriam. I think it will grow.
I agree with Jillian because the gummy bear will suck the water up like a sponge.
I changed my hypothesis that I think it will grow bigger now because Zach has a point that it will suck the juice up.
Now here it comes, I don't wanna see it tonight. Cause when it runs, I can't really beat it, I just don't need this tonight. I said I'm going, but I'm gonna be back. Yes, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna let all the dust lie down, then I'm gonna be back. Nothing's over, less we say. No need to come back if I stay. Nothing's broken or faded away, but nothing's easy. And I hope everything's alright.
is Austin.
And Xavier with the results of our experiment.
The attack of the gummy bears.
First you have the milk, which has a lot of mold in it.
And we have the iced tea, which has some kind of black stuff in it.
And then we have the salt water, which disintegrated the gummy bears very barely.
And we have the water, which made them look very clear.
And then we have the vinegar that made them disintegrate. This has been Xavier
And Austin. Bye, guys.
I felt that this experiment was fun because we learned how the liquids would react to the gummy bears, and they were all different, and they all had different sizes, and they all dissolve in different forms.
I felt like this experiment was cool because we saw different liquids and then how the gummy bears turned different for the milk it went bigger.
I felt like the experiment was weird. I felt like the experiment was funny. I hope I can do it again.
I think the science experiment is awesome, and I'd like to do it again.
I think the science project was important and funny.
Our science experiment was weird, but totally awesome and amazing.
I also agree with him.
And the science experiment was really fun, and it was really cool how it reacted with the liquid because some stuff is disintegrated and some of them were clear.
And I agree with Meier.
And I agree with Mario.
I hope you all enjoyed our science experiments this week. We really wanted to show you that science can be fun and you can use everyday items to experiment with. My class did a really great job. I'm super proud of them. And I also wanted to give a huge shout out to Myra, Brooklyn, and Alex, who are our producers. They were amazing. So, bye! Awesome, excellent job. And I really think that anybody who Come on! See, I talk too much. Can't I just be like that? Did an excellent job. Done.
Yeah.
An awesome, excellent job? What was that? It's an awesome, all right.